Welcome! In front of me I have Redmi Note 10 Pro and I'm going to show you how you can set up SIM pin on your SIM card. And at first you have to go for the settings, find passwords and the security, move for the privacy and find your SIM card. Next, tap on the switcher into the lock SIM card, input your new PIN code. In my case it will be very common, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Click OK to confirm and there it is. Right now when you restart your smartphone, every time when you switch it on, you will need to input your protection code on your SIM card. And that's all, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and of course subscribe to our channel. See ya!